when you're trying to work out a change in percent, there's one formula that is the most important formula for all of these different mechanisms, and it's that you take the change or the difference divided by the original, the one that you're comparing it to. So if it says compared with the blue, then the blue one goes on the bottom, multiplied by 100%. So this part of the equation here gives you the fraction, which you can divide the fraction to give you a decimal, and then you multiply by 100% to change it into a percentage. So if we're looking at the yellow compared with the blue, well, the difference then, or the change, would be 9 centimeters minus, which is what the yellow one is, minus the 6 centimeters of the blue, and then we're comparing the yellow compared with the blue, so we divide by the blue, which is 6. This will give us our decimal, 3/6, which is the same as a half. We change our decimal to a percentage by multiplying by 100 times 100 equals 50%. Is that reasonable that the yellow one is 50% longer than the blue? Yeah. Half again of what the blue one is what the yellow one is, an extra 50%. What about the blue one then compared with the red? Well, the difference between the blue and the red would be 6 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. Compared with the red, well, the red is what we're comparing with, so it's the red number that goes on the bottom. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then we take, that is now our decimal form, 1 times 100 to change it into percent gives us the answer, 100%. So the blue one is 100% longer than the red one. Yeah, it's twice as long. It's 100% longer. The yellow one than the red one. Well, the difference between the yellow one, which is 9, and the red one, which is 3, divided by, we're comparing it with the red, than the, tells you which number should be on the bottom. The number that comes after than should be on the bottom. The 3, giving us 6 divided by 3, which is the same as 2. This is the decimal form, and we change our decimal form into a percentage by multiplying by 100% to give us 200%. So the yellow one is 200% longer than the red. Yeah, well, the red would stop here at 3 centimeters, and then we increased it by 100% plus another 100%. We increased it by 200% longer than the original red one had been. So percentages working with more than 100%, it's still exactly the same formula. It's this very important, the change or the difference divided by the original times 100. Whether it's more than 100% or less than 100%, it's still exactly the same formula.